Tired of long bank queues? Let's ditch the lines and open a Maybank account right from your couch. First, head over to the official Maybank website. You can easily find it by searching Maybank Malaysia on Google. Once you're there, look for the Apply Now button. It's usually prominently displayed on the home page. Now, before you click, make sure you have your IC or passport ready. Also, keep a soft copy of your signature on hand. Having these ready will streamline the whole process. You'll be directed to the online application form. Fill in all the required details carefully and accurately. Double-check everything before moving on to the next step. Next up is the e-KYC, or electronic Know Your Customer process. This usually involves a video call with a Maybank representative to verify your identity. Just follow their instructions. It's usually quick and easy. Once your application is approved, download the Maybank app. You can log in using the credentials you created during the application, explore the app's features, and start banking. And that's it. You've successfully opened a Maybank account. Online banking from the comfort of your home is now a reality. Don't forget to explore all the features available in your Maybank account.